I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a chronograph watch. We will start by looking at common issues. Many owners find their chronograph hands do not return precisely to the 12 o'clock mark. Sometimes, the pushers, which are the buttons on the side, become sticky or completely unresponsive. For quartz models, a dead or low battery is a frequent culprit, causing the chronograph to stop working. Additionally, internal dirt or dried lubricants can gum up the intricate gears, leading to malfunctions. One of the most common fixes is realigning chronograph hands. First, pull the crown out to its second or third position, which typically stops the main second hand. Next, press either the top or bottom pusher. This usually advances one of the misaligned chronograph hands. Keep pressing the button until the hand aligns perfectly at the 12 o'clock position. Repeat this for any other misaligned subdials. Once all hands are correctly aligned, push the crown back in to restart your watch and confirm the fix. Sticky pushers can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from accumulated dirt, grime, or dried lubricants around the pusher seals. You can try a simple solution by carefully cleaning around the pushers with a soft cloth and a tiny amount of watch-specific cleaner. If the problem persists, it might indicate a need for professional attention. A watchmaker can disassemble the pushers, clean them thoroughly, and apply fresh silicone grease to the O-rings, ensuring smooth operation. Remember, never use products like WD-40, as they can harm delicate watch components. While many issues can be fixed at home, some problems require a professional watchmaker. If you suspect water damage, internal corrosion, or broken components, it is best to seek expert help immediately. Complex mechanical movement issues, particularly in automatic chronographs, also warrant professional intervention. If your basic troubleshooting steps do not resolve the chronograph's malfunction, a watchmaker can diagnose deeper problems. For optimal performance and longevity, consider a full service every 3 to 5 years, especially for mechanical timepieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.